Good morning, children, and welcome back to the online classes. We are starting with our new exercise 4.2. Now, what you see written on top here in yellow does not have to be copied into your notebook. This I have kept for reference because we are targeting the first 5 sums, and we do require this information in order to solve these sums. Now, coming to the first sum, it says using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. Remember, instruction has to be copied by you. Now here I have copied the sums. I had no other option because still I don't have the sum in front of me. I will not be able to explain to you as to how the sums are to be done. Now, this is exactly how you will be doing the sums in your notebook. So please pay very careful attention to the explanation. Now I have to find out whether these three numbers are divisible by 2 or not. For that, I must know the test of divisibility by 2. The test of divisibility by 2 says that the number should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the number ends with any of these 5 digits, no matter how big the number may be, the number is divisible by 2. Now I have 4,56,739, a big number. But how do I come to know exactly and immediately whether it is divisible by 2 or not? The number is ending with 9. It is not ending with any of these 5 digits, and therefore this is not divisible by 2. So how do I do the sum? I write ending with 9 and then put an arrow, not divisible. You have to give the reason first and then the answer. Because it is ending with 9, it is not divisible. Because for it to be divisible, it should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, no matter how big the number may be. The next number that I have is 8,97,078. This is divisible by 2 because as you can see, it is ending with 8. Test of divisibility by 2 says it should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So here I will write ending with 8 arrow divisible. We now move on to the next number, and the next number is 9,99,992. Again, no matter how big the number may be, but if it's ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it will be divisible by 2. So this number is also divisible by 2, but I have to give the reason. Ending with 2 arrow divisible. So this is how these sums have to be done. I am not giving you any sums for homework. I am going to explain each and every sum and go along with you as you understand it. But you need to listen to the video very carefully in order to learn and understand as to how these sums work out when they come for the examination. Let's go to sum number 2. And sum number 2 states using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. Now you are seeing we come to 3. What does 3 says? Add. What do you have to add? You have to add all the digits. So my first number is 2,34,693. So first I have to give the reason and then write the answer. So let's start adding. So I have to add 2 to 3, then 4, then 6, then 9 and then 3 again. Let's see what the answer would be. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And the rule for test of divisibility by 3 says that if you add all the digits and the number that you get is a multiple of 3, that means it comes in 3 times table, or it is divisible by 3, then that entire number is divisible by 3. Now as you know that 27 comes in 3 times table because 3 nines are 27. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. These are how you have to do the sums. You have to give the reason, then give the answer. Let's go to the next one and add them. So I have 9, to which I have to add 8, add 7, add 4 and add 5. Now let's see what answer do I get here. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 and 28 plus 5 is 33. Does 33 come in 3 times table or is divisible by 3? Yes, it comes in 3 times table because 3 11s are 33. So yes, this entire number will be divisible by 3. So I write divisible. Let's go to the next. 4,56,386. So to 4 I have to add 5, to which I have to add 6, to which I have to add 3, to which I have to add 8 and to which I have to add 6 again. Let's add 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 8 gives me 26 and 26 and 6 gives me 32. Does 32 come in 3 times table? No, because 3 times are 30 and 3 11s are 33. So 32 is not divisible by 3. So because the total is not divisible by 3, the number is also not divisible by 3. Not divisible. So this is for 2, this is for 3. We now move on to the third sum. The third sum says, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. So I go to my next test of divisibility, that is divisible by 4. And for a number to be divisible by 4, the rule states that the last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. So I don't have to really divide the number, I only have to look at the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Which number do I have out here? 76,892. So what I'll do is, first I'll take down the number again, 76892, that is 76,892. I will underline 92, the last 2 digits. Is 92 divisible by 4? So what I'll do is, I'll write 92 and I will divide it by 4 and I'll check. So 4 twos are 8. Remainder 1, then 1 next to this 2, it becomes 12. 4 threes are 12. Is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. So now you put an arrow and say divisible. This is how the sum has to be done. Here also I am putting an arrow. We go to the next sum, 98,576. So again, I write the number again, 98,576. I will underline 7 and 6, 76, the last 2 digits. I have to only check whether the last 2 digits are divisible. If they are divisible, the whole number is divisible. I don't have to check the entire number. I do not have to divide the entire number to prove that it is divisible by 4. That's why test of divisibility is taught to you. So the moment you see a number, you can tell which number will divide it by the various rules that apply to each number to be divisible by each number. That is 2, 3 and 4. We will do 5 and 6 in the next video. So I take 76 and I divide it by 4. Now here what you can do, children, when you are doing these sums, please leave at least 2 lines, because this division one is going to interfere with the sum on top and you won't have space. So space out your work, leave 2 lines or 3 lines and do it neatly. So this division one doesn't interfere with the other sum. The numbers don't go into the other sum. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. Now 4 goes inside only one time. 4 ones are 4. From 7 take away 4, you are left with 3. Put that 3 here. And now it becomes 36. And then 4 9s are 36. It's divided it completely. So this number, this particular number, that is 98,576, this is also divisible by 4. So we are checking only for 4 here, remember. The third sum says test of divisibility for 4. So the first one is divisible by 4, second one is divisible by 4. Now next one, let's see if it is divisible by 4. Again I take down the number. What does it say? 6,57,482. I underline 82 because that's what I have to check, the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. So I take 82 and I divide it by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Nothing is remaining, so I cannot carry anything towards the 2. Now does 4 go into 2? No, it does not go. So here, because it does not go, it is not divisible. Remember once again, you don't have to copy what is written in yellow on top, because that I have kept for reference for these sums. We are only going to do 5 sums today. So we've done test of divisibility by 2 for the first sum, test of divisibility by 3 in the second sum, and test of divisibility by 4 in the third sum. In the next video, we'll be doing sum number 4 and 5, which is for test of divisibility for 5 and test of divisibility for 6. All this, instructions, sums, working, everything has to be